H2 Bro challenged us to do a last to breathe challenge. Thanks to Carter Scherer for giving us this awesome idea. So we are here at the hardware store to get our materials, and we only have 1 minute to get it. So let's go!
Look what I found, guys. Some storage bins. I'm gonna use this like so. Create it in the air pocket, but it's really hard to hold a bin underneath the water when there's a big air pocket, so I need some ropes. Okay guys, so I'm gonna tie a rope right here, and then I'm gonna tie some weights onto it, and that'll hold it down into the water. Okay, so now I need some weights and some ropes to tie onto that bin. Let me know if you guys see any ropes or weights anywhere.
Okay, so I have to find a way to bring the air on the outside of the pool into the pool, so I gotta find like a tube or something, and I can like breathe in the tube.
I need to find something that will help me breathe, so I need to find like a tube or something, yeah. So now where can I find tubes?
I gotta go to the plumbing aisle.
The plumbing aisle!
Maybe I can try to recreate something like a snorkel. You know what, have the little thing, mouth thing, so I can breathe through that tube. Maybe I should look for some sort of pipe. Yeah, like a PVC pipe. That totally looks like a snorkel.
Hey, Spy Ninjas, I think I just found Project Zorgo's favorite place to sit.
I'm gonna go get some tubes. It's in this aisle. Yes. Daniel!
PZ4, what are you doing here?
I'm getting these tubes.
No! Those are my tubes. No, these are for
mine.
I thought of this first.
No, I did. Back off. Hey! Yeah, that's right.
Did you like overhear my idea? That was my idea.
Sorry.
Were you listening in the next aisle?
Get a new idea.
Dang it. Okay, me and PZ4, we're thinking on the same wavelength, so I gotta think of plan B.
I'm so glad that I got the breathing tube before Daniel did, because honestly, I had no backup.
Whoa, PVC pipes, yes! This one here is a 3/4 inch. I think this might be a good, comfortable size, but there's still a lot more here to go over, but I'm just gonna put this back. I'll test out this 1 incher right here. Let's see. 1 inch, let me see, where is it? Where does it say 1 inch? Right here. So look you guys, look how big this is. This is like definitely bigger than my mouth. This 1 inch one might be a little too big. I'll go back to the 3/4 one. Oh, this one, here. Yeah, let's just take this one.
Now all I need is something to make the tube float. And you know what worked really well for me last time that floated? The foam squares. So I gotta go find those. I spot a wild Chad on the loose. He going loose. Foam? I am in the right aisle. I think these ones right here, they're actually the ones that I used for my boat, and that worked really well. But they're a lot bigger than I actually remember. Those are huge. Okay.
I'm gonna get a water bottle to attach on top of this. That'll just give me like a couple, 3 to 4, 5, maybe even 7 inches. Here's a water bottle. Jeez, why is it so high up? Let's check this out.
Cha-ching! I just found the rope, everybody. This will do the trick, guys. Right here, white rope. Tie it to a couple weights. Pull down that container. I'm gonna win this thing. No problemo.
Okay, guys. As you know, I'm really good at water challenges. I won the last to sink challenge. My boat floated the best. I think I'm gonna think a little bit outside the box. I'm gonna get a tarp. I need like a black tarp, and then I'll just kind of make a little air bubble. I should be in the right aisle, actually. Here we go, tarp. Right here. Heavy duty tarp. All right, that's all I need. Let's do this thing.
Okay guys, we are back at the safe house. H2 Bro is here.
All right, Daniel, you first.
Oh, okay. So I have this hula hoop here and this black garbage bag. I'm gonna put this hula hoop right here. Then I'm gonna create a little air bubble like this.
Wow.
And then I think if I just kind of tape it, I mean, that's it.
Oh.
That's it. So then I go underwater and I go in here like this.
Okay.
You know?
Just, guys, don't do like what Daniel's doing here because this is really a bad idea.
Yeah, don't do that.
Yeah.
No, 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 no.
But can I at least do it for now?
I mean, you can do it. These guys shouldn't do it.
This is torture going in slowly.
You got
Okay.
this.
Under the water I go!
Daniel!
It's like a little house in here. Start the timer, guys.
Yeah, I don't see him pulling it underneath the water.
Yeah, he's definitely still atop.
He thinks he's underwater, but his head's actually just poking up right here.
Yeah, I don't think this counts.
Yeah, this is definitely a big fail.
They're like laughing at me for some reason. I don't know why they're laughing. They're just jealous, man, because I'm already like a minute underneath water. Once again, Daniel is victorious when it comes to a water activity.
That's pathetic.
Yeah, should we tell him? He's been in there for a little bit now.
Yeah.
And it's kind of sad, actually.
Why don't you yell at him?
Daniel!
Yeah?
Come over here!
Okay, I think somebody just said to come over here. So I'm gonna come out of the water and I'm gonna lift up. Okay, here I go. Go. Did you see that?
Whoa!
Did you see it?
You weren't underwater, Daniel.
I wasn't underwater?
You went to like the 5 feet area, and we can totally see this. We saw your head poking out of here.
Oh no. So it didn't even count for a second?
No! No! It's a fail, Daniel!
Let's give you one more chance. See if you can pull that thing under the water. If you can actually get under the water, we'll count it.
3, 2, 1, go!
Go! Pull it! Pull it under!
Come on, Daniel!
Come out!
Use those muscles! Use those muscles, Daniel!
Daniel! Use his head!
His head.
That looks so scary!
Ah! He's being born! He's being birthed! You look like you were a baby being born.
Oh my gosh! This is like Ace.
Oh! Alien!
Okay, let's see what H2 Bro has to say about this.
Yeah, H2 Bro.
Is he laughing?
Wasn't even that funny. 2 seconds! Oh, 2 seconds. Better than 0 seconds.
You're happy with 2 seconds?
Yeah, I'll take 2 seconds.
Okay, is it my turn?
PZ4.
I could definitely beat 2 seconds.
Oh yeah.
Right, H2 Bro? What's wrong with him? So I have this foam piece. It's going to stay afloat.
Foam piece.
And this is going to be my breathing tool.
Whoa, okay.
Ooh,
Wow, that actually is working.
really strong, guys.
You're
As
tough.
I've been saying, I'm strong.
I guess so. Whoa, oh! Jeez, careful there.
And
Okay.
then I just breathe. I'm ready.
Okay, I have faith in you, PZ4.
Yeah, wait. There's only 3 of us. Where's the other one?
V?
V?
V? Oh. There she is. Oh. Wetsuit. Oh. What do you need that for?
I just needed to be prepared for my turn. So I just had to get my full wetsuit on. Full body coverage.
That's a big step for you, V. Good job.
And here's a little step for you.
Oh.
There you go. Okay, here's your go. What's that? What'd you say?
Go, GoPro.
Ah,
Go.
here you go.
You go, girl.
Is it cold? Oh, geez, and it's windy. Oh. 3, 2, 1. It's working. Time it, everybody.
Okay, timer's starting.
Oh my god.
Whoa, ow! That was short-lived.
What happened?
What happened, PZ4? Hey, ooh, hey, turn around and see your face. Oh, she put her mask back on. What happened? What happened?
It was so hard to breathe through this tube.
Really?
It was working.
Yeah?
But then it got really hard to like suck in the air.
It was like 9 seconds.
Yeah, that's pretty decent.
She beat me.
Daniel didn't even go underwater, so.
Yeah, we gave him a pity. We gave you 2 pity seconds.
Yeah, I was under for 2 seconds. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Oh, can I get like 5 pity seconds?
Oh yeah, I felt like I was gonna pass out.
Oh, geez.
Sounds to me like you just wimped out.
Hey,
Ooh.
2 seconds, Mr. 2 seconds.
Yeah, Mr. 2 seconds. Don't you hate it when a girl calls you Mr. 2 seconds? Are you ready?
No. I just got a PVC pipe here, a little bottle.
What's the bottle gonna do?
I'm just gonna attach it on here, so just in case I go like really deep.
We just make sure that this part here doesn't go under the water because it'll fill up with water.
I don't know, like I have a hard time even putting my face in water, so I don't know if I can even do this.
That's true. V actually has like a big phobia of water. She can't swim. She has a very hard time even putting her head underwater. She never even takes a shower, I mean, just...
Chad, I do too!
Just kidding.
Like once a month, you know.
Oh! You smell that?
No. That's how I smell like roses all the time.
Oh yeah, roses.
Just joking, you guys.
What do we got?
So it's like a snorkel kind of? Is that what it is? Is that what it's
Yeah, that's what it looks like, a snorkel.
Have you ever used this before?
Oh, the tags.
This is just in case of emergency.
Go V, go V, go V, go V.
One more
Oh my gosh, there's more stuff!
Oh wow, it's a whole 3 feet deep. Let's see if she can put her head underwater with no traction first.
Oh! I didn't realize.
I had to work in sections!
What are we doing to the poor
I feel
girl?
bad now. Poor me.
Oh yeah. No.
Okay, hold on. I didn't go underwater.
Oh! Yeah! Whoa! Whoa! Good job!
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
The true spy ninja facing her fear.
Yes, true spy ninja.
H2 bro, cut her some slack, man.
Yeah.
He feels bad for you now. Even H2 bro, who can breathe underwater, feels bad for you.
I just try it, but
You're gonna try it?
I mean, I'll do it, but I don't think my head will go underwater.
Okay, let's check it out.
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay.
That sound.
I'm trying to be brave here, you guys. Oh my gosh. You know how like people are afraid of heights?
Yeah.
Or like ghosts or monsters or whatever?
Yeah,
Water is that.
Water
That's my
is
water.
your monster.
Yes.
Good job, but you still did great.
Yeah, good job.
Got your head underwater.
Okay, yeah, let's get out of here.
I've got the most genius idea, a bucket. I had so much success with this bucket when I floated it across the pool. So I'm gonna go under it like this. It's gonna create an air pocket right here. I'm gonna go under the water and I'll be able to breathe while in the bucket. What do you guys think? Because it's very, very hard. As you saw Daniel trying to pull his under the water, it's really difficult to pull an air bubble underwater. I've got 40-pound weights. Actually, it's probably 25 pounds, it feels like.
Oh, I get it.
He's smarter than you.
Yeah, he is. H2 bro. What do you think of my genius invention?
Okay.
That is the sign of approval right there.
I get it. He used to say words. I don't know what happened to him. He used to speak English. It's like what happened to V, maybe. Did you go through something recently, H2 bro?
The hacker that knocked out V, he was super powerful. So maybe he knocked out H2 bro.
Oh, you're going in your jeans, man?
Oh, they're already soaked. I sat in water.
Don't show your tuchus.
Go, Chad! Oh, he's under. Okay.
Oh, he's in there. You
He's
can see
in
him.
there. Oh my gosh.
But it's the same thing as me. He has to pull all the way under, right? Or else it
Yeah.
doesn't count.
Seems like it's working actually. He's going to the deeper end.
Oh, he's trying to bring it under. He's trying to. He's not strong enough.
Yeah, I don't think it's working.
Let's see, I'm gonna try to pull under it again. Ready?
Oh, shoot.
Oh, yeah, look. Oh, look, his anchor.
Oh gosh, they broke.
I think the rope broke. Here we go. I'm gonna pull it again. Ready?
Oh no! What happened?
I think the ropes broke. I could not pull it under. Just a little pocket of air. Holding those weights up and my whole body weight. I was just trying. I couldn't pull it under.
Dang.
It's crazy.
It's a strong pocket of air.
Yeah. Look at that.
Wow.
Whee!
Oh,
capsize him.
Oh!
He's good, he's good.
Why isn't he coming up then? Oh, there he is.
That was my Terminator 2 right there. H2 bro liked it. He got the reference. Well, that was kind of pathetic. I feel horrible about myself. I don't think I even got 2 seconds.
Yeah, how many seconds was that, H2 bro?
3 seconds.
All right, H2 bro, please give us the news. How do we do? Did we pass?
You all did quite terrible.
Terrible.
I did terrible, but what about these guys? They did great.
But I could hold my breath longer.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. I'm glad he's having a good time at least.
Yeah.
Is he laughing at our failure?
Nobody wins the challenges.
What? Nobody wins.
Wait, none of us?
Then we don't get the ninja gadget?
You're not gonna upgrade it for us? We made you laugh a lot though. That has to be at least worth something, H2 bro.
Yeah.
That's
guys, I don't know about him. Wait, what?
Goodbye, everybody.
Where are you going?
Till next water challenge.
No! Give us the ninja gadget!
No, give us the spear! What are you doing? What? What is he doing? Immersion himself in water! No!
H2 bro!
H2 bro! Oh my god!
Oh no! H2 bro!
What are you doing?
Oh no!
Wait,
Where'd he go?
H2 bro?